Excuse me, sir. You dropped your pocket. Your pocket.
She told me it better be hard. What's wrong with her C2V? Yes, sir.
That nigga finna go crazy.
Yes,
Oh my
sir.
goodness.
What's up, y'all? I just got out the shower. It's 7:58. We got a car today. I gotta go pick up JC and Boog. I know some other people finna pull up on us, but I just had to pick up the camera to start the day. They say they on the way, so they should be here by like 9. I'm on the way to go get Boog and JC right now. Probably get some food, bro. It's early. I ain't even gonna lie. It's too early. Nah, it ain't too early. It's early though. But yeah, they just woke up, bro.
No, we didn't, bro. We didn't.
2 minutes ago, bro.
Man, this is boss first time up past 9.
Bro, it is. I'm feeling good. I slept all day yesterday. I ain't even gonna lie.
What time I go to sleep? Like 1.
I woke up at 11. Went to sleep. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. Man, we gotta move the folks out, bro.
Heck shit. Heck shit.
Look, bro, they finna go all in the mud.
Ooh, bro.
It's bad.
Ooh,
Alright.
bro. It's your boy Boog, man. Right now we got a claim pulling up. It rained a couple days ago. So it's a little muddy. Look at that Scat Pack, boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You good? Come this way. Alright, you good. Y'all see what we working on. You ready to bust down? Huh? Bust down. Scat Pack.
She's still with me and don't need me. No, really though. Nice Scat Pack on board, boy.
What is that?
Y'all see it?
SRT life on the back.
Come on, hard, bro.
My heart. I don't even think bro here yet.
Nice little Scat Pack, bro. Some dash 180 on the dash. Okay.
You touching that?
Let's go. You know I
Can't even
am.
see in this bitch, man.
You know I am, bro. Touching that with ease.
Our first videos was real
Real
informational.
information they was?
Yeah, I feel like they was. Now our videos like vlogs.
Yeah, that's how I go.
Yeah, we not giving out the sauce no more. Hold on. Don't even gotta come out.
They don't.
Them sturdy. Big 392. Bro, Scat tough. I ain't gonna lie. You already see he got the aftermarket done. Got an intake and a catch cam. That mug hard. 550 stars. Look at the colors. So yeah, turn it on right quick. Alright, we got the headliner down. 550 stars. Let's have it. SRT. Talking to.
What did it say? That's right. Okay.
Yeah.
That's not a bad badge at all.
No, that's a smooth bag.
bro.
Oh.
You almost died.
Lil Tyler. Hard.
Nah, shout out to Tyler, man. I don't know who that dude is.
We coming out with the Lil Tyler Flow album.
He got a flow.
Like 7 songs,
He
Lil
gonna flow.
Tyler
It
Flow.
reminds me of the Detroit guys back at the crib.
Back at the crib. Detroit guy.
We from the Dirty Gloves, in case y'all ain't up. I gotta put that out there.
I'm from Chicago.
The North.
The North.
They from the north.
The North, Bulls.
We all from the North. We all from the North.
We all from the North. We just down here with y'all boys.
Doing stars.
We just teaching y'all game.
Taking over.
We give y'all that North game.
550 stars in the Charger with a sunroof.
He gonna love it. He's gonna love it.
He gonna love it.
Shout out to your girlfriend, bro. You got a good one, bro. No cap.
W girl.
W girl. Spam W.
I've been there.
Spam W.
But she down now. No, she's still around.
We finna go to Home Depot right quick. Finna go to Home Depot. We finna go get some eats, man. We hungry. Bro, it just look cold, bro. I'm finna park in the handicap.
Come here, mama. Let me talk to you real quick. Come here. Come closer, babe. Let me talk to you.
Really?
Let me tell you something, man.
She don't wanna be bothered.
Tell you something, bro. Like a scared, bro. Come on, look
you
closer.
doing,
Man. Look closer. Look closer. Come on, let me see.
Bro, we need them gloves. We need them towels. Gloves and towels, bro. Some gloves and towels. Three more.
How many you need?
4. Just one more. Appreciate it. Bust down, bro. We got glue now. We finna go get some eats. Bro.
Nah, bro.
It's still breakfast?
Yeah, bro. It's 10:45.
10:45?
Oh, we gotta hurry up.
Why?
11.
What?
Nah, McDonald's.
What you talking about?
11 is breakfast over.
For who?
We not getting
Everybody.
breakfast.
We catch a breakfast
We'll
right
be
there.
Like 53.
What you finna get?
What you get, bro? What you get?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, bro. I wanna see the breakfast.
Bro, you don't, bro, you
Bro,
not
I wanna
gonna
see
see
the
the breakfast, bro.
Bro, what is you?
I want to see.
Yeah, I got the last.
Bro, how
So
you?
you talking about I missed breakfast by 5 seconds?
That's
I got the
crazy,
last
right?
breakfast.
Tell him you gotta come off that, right?
I need that right
need
now.
that right
We need that. Give us your breakfast. We need that.
Watch out, bro.
Let me get the breakfast, bro. We out, bro.
Life is good. You know, life is great, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's great. We out, JC. JC got the last breakfast. JC got the last breakfast, bro.
It's all good. Cause that sun gonna hit at the end of the day.
Ooh, Christmas time, man.
Christmas time.
Time, man. And we
Oh,
on this
shit.
big ass truck.
Go ahead. You gotta yell it, bro. Be like, hey, man, you dropped your pocket.
Excuse me, sir. You dropped your pocket. Your pocket.
We got 4 hours.
You keep posting that stuff.
We got 4 hours to finish.
You
Scared?
scared? I'm scared.
What? Where we at, man?
We at this shop.
We got work to do.
Big and back end boys, I can't stop from fucking these hoes.
Bro, stop cussing on my video, bro. Bro, but nah, this where we at. How much you got left, bro?
I don't even know. I think I got like 30 posts, 30 hoes, 30 clothes. Yeah, I got that.
You're not listening. He cut off from camera, bro. Nah, but his shit, I mean, damn!
Nah, fuck the camera. Yeah, nigga, fuck the camera. Put me on that shit. Gonna run this hoe. Run this hoe. Run this hoe. CTB and these dudes.
Oh. But nah, this man headliner finna be flooded. Man, show him what you got up there, bro.
Alright, so man, right here, we got all this going on, man. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we got all this going on up here.
I don't see nothing.
All this going on up there. We got all that going on. You feel me?
We don't got too much left. It's 2:45.
It's gonna be 3.
Finna be 3. We said 4,
We said 4.
but we might need some extra time. We gotta glue everything down. And don't even worry if it's looking a little rough right here, bro. Cause we still gotta zip tie and do a whole bunch of other stuff. So y'all gonna see the finished product.
Definitely.
JC busting it down. You tired, JC? No, boy.
I look tired.
Nah, boy. But yeah, man, we just showing y'all where we at right now.
Yes, sir.
Bro, whole headliner. Your girl got you right, bro. 550 stars, I ain't gonna lie.
Definitely did. Hey, this car fire, bro. This make me want to get one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I might just get one, y'all. I might just get one. I don't know if I'm gonna get one of these.
Ram truck.
Ram truck. I don't know. But you talking about you want a Scat, bro? So why would I go around truck and you finna get rid of that hoe?
I'm gonna keep it.
You gonna get both, bro? That's big boss. Big baller boss.
Nah, I'm trading it. If I try chucking, I'm trading in for a cat. And y'all heard it here, bro.
Y'all gonna see. We gonna say less. We gonna do more
We gonna
say
turn
less.
y'all up, but I'm for sure getting a Scat or something.
We gonna do more
I
say
need
less.
something. I want something fast. I'm tired of going slow. My truck get 8 miles.
He do not go slow, fool.
Bro,
Where you get that from?
I want all that. Cause when I get one, I'm finna spin it. And y'all gonna see me spinning.
Spin, spin,
Spinning the cat.
spin.
Spinning the Scat.
I can see your big head now, boy.
Like the car fit me right. I ain't gonna lie. Look at it. If I was in it,
Yeah, the Ram don't.
The
The
Ram
Ram fit me
too
more.
short.
Yeah, you be finna
Yeah, home, bro.
twist your ankle when you jump out there.
I think I need one of these boys.
Especially if you jump out with the vapes on.
Ooh, you done. Don't get no vapes,
Bro, I
bro.
jump out with the vapes all the
Them vapes are killer, boy. I ain't gonna lie, that's suicide waiting to happen.
I need
boy.
a Scat.
Scat. That's what we
Nah.
gonna leave it at.
Too many people
Scat
got
pack. Hellcat. Get a cat. Get a cat.
So we got everything wired out. This is what we wired everything in. We got everything in the loom. To the back battery. The module back here. We gonna feed this loom through the panel. And we're gonna pop everything back into place, but we looking real good. Everything neat. We gluing right now though. Bug in the front seat. In the sunroof still. We got an hour to pop panels in. It's finna be done now.
How can you come right now?
It's already wired.
You got nothing else to do?
Uh-uh.
So we just gotta feed it through?
Yeah, feed it through and pop the panels back in.
So we gotta feed it through. That's gonna take.
Nah, bro, it's not gonna take a second, bro. Everything is wired up. It's 4:30. She gonna be here in like 30 minutes. They popping the panels back in.
You guys like it, man? What you guys think, man?
Freaking love it, bro. It's everywhere, bro.
Leave a
What
comment,
the?
man. What you guys think?
Leave a comment if you guys like. What we doing? But nah. Hey, if y'all want some stars, bro, come type in with us, bro. We still got deals going all the way to the 31st.
31st of December, baby. Come get it before the new year.
New year.
Come on, man.
New
Come
prices.
down.
Nah.
C2B's, C2.
We got one left. How we always do it, bro. Who trying to cut this mug?
You know who always cut it. Boogie Brown.
Louis Brown. Look at you, not even lined up. Wow. What are you finna sell?
I just wanna thank my mom, my dad. You know I won't be here without them. You know I wanna thank God. I wanna thank my C2B family, man. Shout out C2B.
Cool, clean. Oh my God, we in a Rolls Royce.
Double R.
Double
What y'all boy
R.
say?
double R.
Double R.
Stop,
Everything
bro.
we got come with a controller. We got the stars everywhere behind the visors.
Everywhere,
up
bro.
front.
Look at that.
Look, you not even gonna see them. Everywhere. We got bro right for sure.
We overdid our part.
Overdid?
We overdid our part.
Overdid. I'm finna show y'all what the whip look like. We did 550 stars everywhere around the headliner on this Scat pack. Man, y'all gonna see. Scat pack. I'm just gonna open the door. Look at that. They everywhere. We got them all to the visor, all around, and the handles. Different modes. Hold on. Where's that? There it go. We ain't really show y'all too much because every time we do this, it's the same process.
Yeah.
With every car. But we definitely got this one right. SRT life on the back. Big SRT.
Hey, this right here is hard. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Nah,
I ain't never seen nothing like that.
that's hard. He got the little tail light tint. He got a diffuser.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So it only like shine on the red. I think, yeah, I don't even got the keys. The keys with me.
Hey, bro, you just inspired me, bro. You just inspired me.
What design you want? You know you can do all types.
I was like, what?
Designs.
Colors?
Designs.
Oh, design.
Why AJ always messing some stuff up? Now he's going, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? Oh. Tell him tap it if you want to. Tap it if you want to. He better have some insurance.
Picking up the custo right now.
Picking up the customer, man.
The custo.
Custo, the client, the family, the
Yeah.
supporter, not even the customer, bro.
Customer, family, all the same
this is
thing.
black excellence. This is what it is.
You right. I ain't gonna lie,
Black
you right.
excellence. Black on black, you feel me?
Seriously. What's up, gang? You know it's hard. Come on now. You know it's hard, huh? Just bust out, baby. She told me it better be hard. What's wrong with her C2V? Yes, sir.
That nigga finna go crazy.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my goodness.
He finna love you.
Yeah, love.
What's good?
That's his mom.
Hey, how you doing, mom? See the reaction. She like him. That's what we do, man. We do it from the heart, man. We do it from the heart. Every time.
How you do that twinkle shit? Hold on.
She told that twinkle shit.
If you don't phase me.
For the ticker, you hit the motor speed, and it's on the bottom. Hit the plus. Oh yeah.
Hey, he's finna, bro. This nigga finna shake it so far.
He was texting you all day.
He's gonna text me something. Where y'all going?
You had to turn it back on, huh?
Yeah, I had to.
What car club? What car club you with?
Oh, yeah, I know
Oh, you
that.
take
That's
it off?
yours.
No, that's what we thought. We figured. He wants you to pull it out.
Oh.
Right, because I'm
Come on, see, put your head in the game, man. Use your brain, man. Use your brain. No, shout out SRT, like, man, come get y'all stars, man. No cap. Come get y'all stars done. Happy custos everywhere?
Man.
Hey, appreciate the happy custos, man. We appreciate y'all, no cap. Oh! Get the fuck over, bro. Oh shit. It sound good, boy. Look at that design in the back though.
That shit walking out of here too smooth now.
Another successful job, bro. Oh yeah. She loving them.
That bitch hard now for real.
I ain't see the lights on the side. I like
White lights. We wrapped up 550 Starlights on 392.
this weed good, man. I'm hot.
Thumbnail? Look at what you doing?
Nigga be like, when's the title gonna be?
Look at But nah, that's it for this video. If y'all haven't, like, comment, subscribe. What is AJ? Bro. What you trying to do? Whoa, what you doing?
Excuse me, sir. You dropped your pocket. Your pocket.